First impressions matter, and the A.C.E 29D does not disappoint. With all the amenities of home and a beautiful new interior, this is traveling in luxury. Whether you're exploring parks, campgrounds, or just out on a scenic drive, the A.C.E 29D is the perfect way to satisfy your family's sense of adventure.
Do you remember your very first RV trip? You want your kids to remember their very first RV trip? Hi, it's Steve Duval from Thor Motor Coach. My kids will always remember their first RV trip. We talk about it all the time. In fact, it was taken in an ACE. So there has always been a special place right here with the ACE. And I can't wait to show you around the 2024 A.C.E 29D.
The ACE is a game changer when it comes to family travel. Can you think of another way to cruise down the road with all the comforts of home? With a full wall slide and 7-foot ceilings, you are going to have the space you need. And it looks great in here, doesn't it? The ACE gets an interior makeover for 2024, creating this cozy atmosphere the moment you step inside. We're looking at the new Malibu collection. We have these stunning California white upper cabinets and shadow birch down below. You get gold hardware like handles and faucets, and the new wallboard ties this all together. Since the A.C.E 29D is designed with families in mind, you're gonna have the space and layout that makes everyone comfortable, and this RV always makes you feel right at home. And since there are a number of ACE floor plans and some of the options and features may be different than what you see in this video, to make sure you're getting exactly what you want, like the exterior kitchen, visit your local Thor Motor Coach dealer and head on over to thormotorcoach.com. So say you want a campsite dinette, then this 29D is the ACE for you. Right here, this is versatility at its best. Eating, getting some work done, just hanging out, sleeping, it all happens here. You also have built-in wireless charging, seat belts, and cup holders for the ride. On the other side, this 29D has the optional theater seating. A jackknife sofa is standard. You can't go wrong with either, but I'll tell you what. In these theater seats, complete with a large center storage bin and cup holders, it is so easy to kick back and watch a favorite show. The ACE is also great for entertaining. These captain's chairs swivel, so this is going to make another great spot to hang out. Here we find a fully equipped kitchen. This has everything you need to whip up tasty meals on the go. All the tools are here. A 3-burner gas cooktop with oven, a microwave, a 12-volt fridge. Here's our double bowl stainless steel sink, and the solid surface countertops have the space to slice and dice. And no kitchen is complete without all the storage you need. The bathroom in the ACE is designed to offer you all the essentials of home. There's a foot flush porcelain toilet, macerator waste tank flush system. Here's our sink with all the counter space. We have storage and even a hideaway pet dish down below. Here in the shower, we have a skylight for extra headroom. The Shower Miser hot water recycling system and tankless water heater make sure you get a hot shower. And the ACE is going to take care of you with a 50-gallon fresh, 40-gallon black, and 40-gallon gray tank on board. Checking out the wall here, this is your control panel, and you're going to use these controls every day. From here, we can start the generator, check tank levels, extend or retract slides, turn on the tank heaters, the water pump, and the water heater. Down below, this panel is for the auto gen start for your 4,000-watt gas generator. This is very intuitive to use. From here, we're going to set the quiet hours, the start temp, the start voltage, and run time. It's quick, it's easy, and allows you to power the ACE the way you want. Here we have the thermostat for one of your 2 roof-mounted ACs. In between those 2 ACs from this shot, you can see that 100-watt solar panel. The other thermostat is back here in the bedroom. You're going to spend nights right here on this comfortable king bed, and the ACE does not short you in the storage department. You have cabinets over the bed, roomy nightstands with charging ports, and you are going to appreciate the size of the closet and dresser. And check this out, you even have a TV back here. I want to show you one more place to sleep as we head up front to check out the cockpit. Right above the driver and passenger seats, this drop-down overhead power bunk with easy-to-store collapsible ladder. Driving this Ace is an absolute breeze. You're going to love the view from the large panorama one-piece windshield. Under the hood is Ford's 7.3-liter V8 with 335 horsepower and 468 pound-feet of torque. You'll enjoy the smooth ride whether you're navigating through city streets, powering your way up winding mountain roads, or taking that turn down to the fishing pier. Quick look at what we have up here. Controls for the heated remote mirrors with integrated side view cameras, one-touch leveling jacks, and a place for your phone. The steering wheel controls here on the left are for the dash. We're going to find things like trip meters, fuel economy, and maintenance reminders. The buttons right below that are for your cruise control. Sliding to the right, this pad is going to control your infotainment center, Bluetooth calls, and the button with the camera will instantly pull up the backup or side view cameras, which is great if you are towing on that 8,000-pound hitch. While we're out back, a few things here you'll appreciate: a steel rear bumper and a roof ladder. Providing the tunes on the drive, this large touchscreen radio, you have SiriusXM satellite radio, Android Auto, and Apple CarPlay. Passengers, you are going to love it up here too because you can sit back and relax. Check out this flip-out dash workstation. It makes for a very nice place to start the morning, maybe grab a cup of joe, and connect to the Winegard Connect 2.0 4G hotspot and Wi-Fi extender. Now you can pull up a list of all the great sights to see and places to visit wherever it is you are calling home.
So the 29D is just a touch over 30 feet in length, so you can bring it to state parks like we are in today. You have a lot of storage, you have an exterior kitchen. Let's take a quick spin around the outside of this Ace.
This exterior is new for 2024. What we're seeing is the Riverwalk graphics package. Love this feature on the 29D. You are going to enjoy having an outside kitchen. It comes with a 1,000-watt inverter. You can keep a cold drink right here in the fridge, wash up in the sink. It makes the perfect setup when you pair it with the exterior propane connection and start grilling away. And that grill will store very easily in one of the many Rotocast storage bays. So let's take this outdoor setup one step further. We're going to put out the power patio awning, turn on the LED lights, and maybe stay out here well past dark. While we're out here, if the mood strikes, there's even an exterior TV.
This is what camping is all about, so get out there, make your memories in the 2024 A.C.E 29D.
When you're ready to build your own Ace, get started at thormotorcoach.com.